Okay, so what we've got here is a Husqvarna 460 Rancher, and the bar and chains off of it. And I was at Tractor Supply one day, and there was 3 of them. Now these saws are normally about $530, $540. And this one here, well, all 3 of them were on sale for about $450. And I talked them down to $400, which is extremely cheap for this saw. I asked them if it ran. They said, yeah, it would. So I bought it. And when I took it home to start it, it wouldn't start. And I am a small engine mechanic. I do have a few certifications, so I kind of know my way around things. And after I had this saw all the way down to just about to take the carburetor off, you have to take apart a lot of things I've discovered to get down to the carburetor. I noticed that the compression valve was still in, and it's supposed to kick itself back out once you try to start it. So what I'm going to do is take out 1, 2, there's one back here, 3 screws to get to it, and the only tool you need to do this is your spark plug wrench that came with your saw. So if you're having this problem, the only thing you need is your spark plug wrench and a new valve, which you can pick up online for like 10 or 15 bucks. Okay, so now I've got the top cover off, and right here at your compression valve or decompression valve, whichever one you want to call it, and you're going to use the tiny part of your spark plug wrench to fit over there. And it's kind of hard to get on, you got to shove it, but then it's just like taking a spark plug off. You just stick it in and get it off. You get your tool off and you unscrew it. And you can look at it. Yeah, it's real black, and I don't know if it's carboned up. I don't know if the guy that had this before me ran good fuel in it, or what the problem was. But real black. It doesn't feel any harder to actuate than the new one, but it might not take a big difference. So I'm gonna put the new one on, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So here's the difference. You can tell side by side that it's a really big difference. I don't think it looks that bad in real life, but on here you can really tell the difference. So what you're gonna do is you are gonna want the valve to be down when you're tightening it up, and it is just as easy as putting a new spark plug in. If I can get the thread started, there it is. Just run it all the way down. It's easy to get down. You take your spark plug wrench and you tighten it down just like you would a spark plug. Pull it off, and now you've got a working saw. In my case, for $130 cheaper than what they retail for. And for only spending an extra 15 bucks. And now the only thing you're going to do is put your top cover back on, tighten all 3 screws back down, and then you're good to go. Alright, now I've put the top cover back on, got my decompression valve pushed in. This saw now works, got the barn chain back on it, and it's ready to go back in the box and back in the bed of the truck. Thanks for watching. I'm not sure if, well, anybody will watch this, but if it helps one person, then that's the point of it. So, I'd like to thank everybody for watching.